everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tania, Estelle. Yes, I'm super excited to be back, and I know it's like Christmas is around the corner, and I'm super excited, grateful, and super thankful. Thanksgiving was great. It was a blessing just to be around with families and friends and spend time with those whom you love, you know, and yeah, because that really is what makes a difference. So right on track. So my video for today is plaid nails. As you can tell, I love plaid. I like plaid. I don't love it, but I like plaid, and it just gets me into the Christmas spirit. So for tuning into my video, and please stay tuned if you like this type of content, and it's my channel in general, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Totally up to you. Please stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you in the next. God bless.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Bell, 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 bell. Jingle bell, 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 bell.